You searched how to buy shares of China Railway Construction. China Railway Construction is a large infrastructure and rail construction company listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker 1186 HK. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker 1186 HK to locate the listing. Select the result that matches China Railway Construction to open its asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the market shows HKEX and the ticker reads 1186 HK. Click or tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next open. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description for more information.